Hi guys, Girolamo Aloe here. I want to introduce the new Profit Me activity wall that is just light and more dynamic than before. That introduced the new calendar. The calendar is dynamic. The calendar is just for the premium members, for the challenge members, because it is just for the event webinar for the challenge members, and it is just dynamic with notification. The new wall shows also the lessons that are just webinar and lessons video for a quick view, and the streaming for the support for the trading activities, to talk about the market and just to share things with people. And this is something definitely great. I want to show with you also another important thing that is just something new again. It is just the new educational dashboard. The educational dashboard for the members that let people keep up with the latest lessons and video lessons and webinars and so on. And you can see here the the educational for the challenge members, with the webinars divided for topic specific, market overview, practical training, risk management, account management, and also you can see the video lessons, watch list lessons and homeworks just classified in this way. And this is just the new educational dashboard for everybody that want to stay updated and keep up with their study and to improve themselves. And if you want to join on Profit Me, if you want to study with me, just contact me on my fan page, on my Facebook group. I will help you and will explain everything. Just you can watch my introductory webinar on Profit Me and all the things that are around. And now I want to talk about my trade, my sell trade, about British pound and New Zealand dollar. You can see here, just in the daily chart, what is happening. And you can see that my entry point was here, and this entry point was perfect or almost perfect, because it was just with 10 pips of discrepancy from my entry point and the top of this candle here, just only 10 pips. This entry point was definitely almost perfect. I just sold where there is this blue line here, and now in a few days the price is definitely going down. And my expectation, we can just measure the profit that we can have here. Wait a moment, I just take the measure from the entry point, that is just this, going here, going to the actual price, to the current price. It is just 636 pips of profit in this moment. 636 or 640 pips of profit in this moment for my sell trade. So, and if you consider that my sell trade, of course, is not just limited to be closed here, but I just have in my trading plan to close it just lower. You can understand that my sell trade will give me a lot of profit, more and more of the pips of profit that you have measured now, that you have seen now. And this is something great for my trading, because this is how I make grow my account. This is how my total equity is always growing, and this is how I make money for myself. And just this is what I teach to my students on Profit Me, and this is just what I give to people, sharing my trading experience and my life activities. And I want to invite you. I want to invite you to my next. I want to invite you to my next market overview webinar. That it is definitely free for everybody, and it will be just January 25, and you can just subscribe to be in to attend this webinar, to talk with me about the market overview, to discuss together about some financial instruments, the situation of the market in a moment, just analyzing several financial instruments together. I will show my charts, I will show my ideas, I will explain how I make money, and I will tell you just everything about the market in that specific moment. That will be just January 25. You have to subscribe for it, because only people who sign up will be able to attend for the webinar, and the webinar will be recorded just for people who subscribed. Only who subscribed for the webinar will receive the replay of the webinar, just them. So if you want to be there with me, if you want to attend this webinar and talk with me, analyze the market with me, you have to subscribe for it. And the link to join is just in my Facebook group. You can go everywhere in my Facebook group, and that is just just this, and you can find every the link, just everybody here, sorry, everybody everywhere. You can see the link everywhere, just here, to join, to subscribe for my market overview webinar. That will be just January 25. I wait you, and I want to see hundreds of you in my market overview webinar. I want to see hundreds of you to attend the webinar. You can watch it in live, or you can watch the replay later. But anyway, join, because it is free and it is something really great for everybody. And the last thing that I want to talk with you before to quit this video is just the last lessons that I wrote for the premium members. The last lessons to explain just my sell trade, my British pound and New Zealand dollar sell trade that I wrote just yesterday for the premium members of Profit Me, and I made the video lessons very detailed with all the explanation, and later I just give the insights, so more details to explain better everything. Just starting from the chart, you can see just my chart specifically for this currency, and all the details that I had to explain the reason of my sell, just for the supply levels, the trading idea and the entry point, the order field and the liquidity gap, the trading plan and market behavior similitude, the parabolic rotation pattern in the main trend, and the price action history to define my exit point, and all the things that you can have. This is just my lesson for my premium members, and this is just the detailed explanation of my sell trade. Very great opportunity for people to learn from this. So guys, I just want to renew the invitation to my next webinar that will be just next Monday, January 25. So guys, join to this, be there, watch the market review, watch the analysis that I give you, the explanation that I give you for the market, and you can see my charts, you can take my chart and try to understand from them. The webinar will be recorded and it will be available for people who subscribed, only for who subscribed for it. So guys, join. I want to see hundreds of you. I attend you, and I expect you there for a very valuable question and answer session to talk about the market. I want to be ready to talk with you and to have your opinions about the market, and together we can talk about and together we can analyze the market very well, just January 25. So guys, thank you to listen to my words, and see you to the webinar. Bye bye.